Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add the pepper stroke body effect in CapCut PC. So this is basic tutorial, and I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So select your images or just put your photos or videos you like to edit, and I'm going to select my video, and then I'm going to select the effect and select the body effect, and you can find on trending is pepper stroke, but this is for effect and you have to join properties to be able to use this effect. Alright, just add to track after you download it. You can change for the option right here for the atmosphere and range, size, and then texture. Go. Yeah, you can see for the final result. Alright. Alright, that you have to try this. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.